Change failure rate is the percentage of code changes or deployments that lead to failures in production. It's the other stability and quality DORA metric. Changes that result in a rollback, in production failing, or in production having a bug all contribute to this metric. It's measured as a ratio of all of your deployments. So elite teams with a low CFR often have a high deployment frequency. CFR is important because all time spent dealing with failures is time not spent delivering new features and value to customers. Obviously, teams should try to keep CFR as close to 0 as possible. Now, a common mistake is to simply look at the total number of failures instead of the change failure rate, which is not CFR, but rather the rate of occurrence of failure. The problem with this approach is that it can encourage the wrong behaviors. Your goal is to ship changes quickly, and if you're simply looking at the total number of failures, your natural response may be to reduce the number of deployments so that you might have fewer incidents. But if you have features to build and promises to keep, reducing the number of deployments doesn't make a lot of sense. You'll have to have larger releases, which not only runs counter to agile methodologies, but will also impact cycle time. And when something goes wrong, it will impact MTTR too. Change failure rate is improved when you ensure all new code is covered by automated unit tests, improve automated testing as part of your continuous integration process, and do thorough and complete code reviews to help prevent issues being introduced into production. A great way to do this is to keep PRs small. So clearly, DORA metrics are important, and LinearB helps you track them easily. In fact, we give you a DORA metrics dashboard right out of the box. Check it out at the link in the description.